Going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to draw the ASM chart for this given state diagram. Now here you can see this is a Mealy state diagram by looking at this slash. When you have 0 slash 0 1, when you have a number with a slash and another number, it's always Mealy diagram. If it's without a slash, it's a Moore. So you have to do draw the ASM chart differently. The difference between Mealy and Moore is if it is a Mealy and the output is greater than 0, if the output is greater than 0, we always have to put this round box. This is going to be the output, and this one also called conditional box. Okay, this one, inside this one we put the output z, and we put this one when we have a number that is above 0. Okay, now let's see how to draw the ASM chart for this given diagram. Here we have 3 states A, B, C. So let's draw them. A, B, and C. This A, and this one is B, and this one is C. Okay, now we have to make a decision box. Decision box. This decision box we will have 2 outputs. One is 0 and the other one is 1. So let's look at the condition we have. From A, what are the things going out? From A, we have this one going out. When the input is 0, output is 0, 1. So when the input is 0, let's say this is our input 0, output is 0, 1 mean this is above 0. So we have to put this conditional box, this one. Inside of this one we put z. Let's say this one is z1, this one is z2, so this one is z2 right here, and that one goes to B. And when the output is 1, it goes to C. When the output is 1, the decision box always comes with two outputs, 0 and 1. There are vector decision box also, but usually if it's a scalar, it will always come with 0 and 1. So if it's 0, this is the output. If it's 1, we have the output that is 1 0. That's also above 0. So we have to draw that conditional box. So let's draw the conditional box. That's a round box, right, like this. And then this is z1, and that one goes to C. Now let's look at the B part. From B, what are the things that's going outside? From B, this arrow is going outside, and also this arrow is going outside. Now let's look at the first arrow. First arrow, this, when the input is 0, it's 1 1 and goes to A. Again, decision box X. When the input is 0, it goes back to A. Okay, let's you can draw the 0 here. It goes back to A, and the output is 1 1. So 1 1 means that's above 0. So we have to draw a conditional box right here. Conditional box. And when you have the output 1 1, it means the first number is, here you can see this one, when it's 1, we had 1 0. This one is z1. The second number is z1, and the first number is z2. Okay, it goes like z1 z2, and if you have 3 numbers, it goes like z1 z2 z3. But for this one, here we have 1 1, so we have to put 2 outputs right here, z1 and z2, because we have both of them 1. If one of them 0, we eliminate that one, but if both of them 1, so both of the output exist, so we have to put z1 z2, and that one goes to A. Now when the output is 1, we have 0 0, and goes to C. 0 0 mean we don't have to put a conditional box, we can directly connect them. We only put a conditional box if we have a number that is above 0. Okay, so we directly connect them, we don't have to put a conditional box for this one. And let's see what are the things going outside from C. If you look at C, when the input is 1, it is output is 0 0 and goes to C. When the input is 1, the output is 0 0 and goes to C, right? Because the output is not above 0, so we don't have to throw a conditional box. Now the next thing is when the input is 0, when the input is 0, output is 1 0. Output is 1 0 and it goes to B. When the input is 0, output is 1 0. 1 0 means that is above 0, we have to throw the conditional box, and the 1 is in the second number. We know that second number is Z1, so we have to put Z1 here, and it goes to, so this is not connected together, I put this one, and it goes to B. Okay, we have to just connect it right here, and that's the ASM chart for the given state diagram. And that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn Digital Logic Design 2 or computer architecture, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.